What's good, everybody? It's your boy Omadi the Great here, aka Dudley. You got back at it again with another video, and today, man, we are reacting to one of the most voted videos for me to react to for you guys, and that was Inertia versus D-Koy, man. But before we get to the video, you already know what to do, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to where is it? Like and subscribe. Comment down below for what you want me to react to next. For more beatbox and anime related content, man. Without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
First or second? Ooh, D-Koy's going first. Oh my gosh, Bajorno, are you ready? We're gonna wait for.
Yes, to the 2 and the 1. 2, 1, beatbox. Okay. I see the build up. Hold on, yo, I don't know if that's a snare, or if that's a whistle, if that's a, I don't know what it is, but bro, do y'all hear that high pitched snare or whatever it is, bro? Like, it's so high pitched, like you, and it just goes with the flow. It's just crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you, the first round was crazy, bro. The first round was crazy, by D-Koy was crazy. 2, 1, beatbox. Oh yeah, hold on. Before we get to Inertia, this dude's right here, right? I don't know if you guys could see him clearly. Look at his face and look at my face. Oh, do we look alike? I don't know. Maybe I did a shadow clone or he did a shadow clone, because I'm pretty sure we don't look alike, but apparently people say we do, man. I'm trying to figure it out. 3, 2, 1, beatbox. Is that industry, baby? I don't know. It sounds like it, but I don't know. Hey. Sheesh. Okay. I'm not gonna lie to you. The first round, they both did phenomenal. I love Inertia's bass. I still don't know, but I think it was Industry Baby. Lil Nas X. But me personally, I'm gonna have to give it to D-Koy, just the first round, because they both did phenomenal. But put D-Koy over the edge for me was, I think what he did was somewhat original, or that was part of his routine versus I don't know, doing a cover. I don't know. What you guys think, man? Put it in that comment. Put it in the comments. What you think? Who won the first round? I'm probably gonna do. Who knows? I know I'm talking a lot, man, but I'm just saying to go. What is it? Immerse into this video, man. I'm immersed.
In 3, 2,
1. BEATBOX. Hey. Damn. The thing is, he tried to go as low as Inertia, but I don't think he can. That was fire. Okay, D-Koy, I see you, D-Koy. Okay. 2, 1, BEATBOX.
Here we go.
Hey. He definitely killed the second round, man. He definitely killed the second round. Now I know why he went in the finals against Napalm, man. But anyways, I thought they were gonna give us the result, but they didn't, man. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and looking for the button real quick. Out.